gentlemen, for looking at another Rack 'em Up, Stack 'em Up video from your boy, the DoorDash Revolution. We are here to do another video. This is the most insane Grubhub challenge that I have ever done. What you mean by that? I only got less than a fourth of a tank of gas in the vehicle, 40 miles that I can travel before fill up, and I have no cash, no money on Grubhub. I can show you right now, $0 right there. And I can also show you there's not that many hotspots to choose from. You see the distance I am to where the hotspots are. All right. Very few far in between. So with a low supply and demand in this market, super saturation in this market, more drivers than it is orders, Grubhub is the slowest app out of DoorDash and UberEats. But here I am doing this challenge on Grubhub. I've done it twice with DoorDash and it was very successful in doing it, really more than twice. But I did it twice on video and it was very successful doing it with DoorDash. We're going to see, will I be successful in today's journey that I'm embarking in to be able to get an order, get a couple of orders, put gas in the tank, and then resume my day. So what I need is at least $20 to $25 for a full tank. But I may have to chance it for $15. I do have instant cash out on Grubhub. Just recently did it, found out how to do it, and we are able to do that. But at the moment, we're going to be sitting here. While we sitting here, ladies and gentlemen, that I have right now, it looks like I'm lagging as well. One is that it's 10:24 a.m. It's before the lunch break. I got out here approximately 45 minutes ago. Well, according to Grubhub, 46 minutes ago. So it's almost an hour. I haven't received any orders. This is the worst time to come out on the lunch shift, when lunch is dying down and it's getting ready to pick up for the dinner shift. For the lunch shift. That's a disadvantage. Another disadvantage is I got to see where I can position myself at the right location when orders start coming through. Okay, number 3, I'm not going to be able to afford to chase hotspots. I don't chase hotspots anyway. Number 5, low supply and demand. More orders than it is drivers. Then you got super saturation that's going against me. So I will be sitting more than I'm actually moving. This is a technique that I'm not too accustomed of and don't like to do. As you see right there, you only see 2 hot spots right there. I'm not getting ready to chase those hot spots from the distance I am. So what I'm going to have to do is be patient and wait, and then make my decision from there. All right, so now the next disadvantage, I'm not on a scheduled block. So this is good information that I can provide for people that ask me about what's the difference between scheduling blocks and not scheduling blocks. We will find out today. But as I've been doing it full time for the last, you might say 1 year now, almost 1 year, I make more money on scheduled blocks than I do on blocks, but it's been changing due to when the seasons changes as well. So it's a hit miss there. It's maybe 50-50 or less. So right now what I'm going to do while I'm still waiting, I don't want to burn up all my video footage here because I'm not on the live stream. I'm doing a pre-recording video. So I'm going to hit pause and resume play. Hopefully we will get an order by then, but I'm going to show you how long I've been waiting in this parking spot. 5 minutes. And I will keep the timer on. So it will be proof with what I need to show you as I embark this journey today with no gas, no cash. I want to show the development of change that just took place. Hotspot has just visibly being shown. Okay, I'm right here in that area, but I haven't got a hit. I may have to move. I don't know. I'm gonna give it about a minute or two, maybe 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna move. It hadn't flashed yet. It just showed 1, 2, 3. It's a possible 3 orders in this area here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a first hit. Got a first hit. That's what we was looking at. We're gonna go ahead and accept that hit. There's Panera Bread right over there. All right, that's what we did. We positioned ourselves in a location where we, could get orders. We did that, and you can see it right here as well. Okay, right there, you can see it. I may can be able to blow it up. Yeah, I can blow it up. There it is, right there. All right, what we're gonna do now? We're gonna navigate to over there. Right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We're getting ready to take this order and drop it off, and then we're gonna give you the amount, ladies and gentlemen, and then we're gonna pause and resume play. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. This is the amount there for the order I just dropped off, $6.62. We're gonna navigate towards these hot spots. I want to check to see can I get on block because I'm still not on block. I'm not able to get on block. So I'm gonna hit pause and resume play. Well, I'm right here right now, ladies and gentlemen, at a designated spot. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna turn the timer on. Hold on. Yeah, timer is on. Okay, so we're gonna switch off of that. We are surveying the area. And right now, I'm gonna be parked right here. We're gonna see what's going on. Yeah, I could have traveled that direction right now, monitoring the areas. You see the next spot I need to go to, the next spot I need to position myself at the best location. So I'm gonna hit pause and resume play once I get another order. And by the way, that amount was, let's see, hold on, let's see, can we show that again? It may show the amount, it may not. And that amount of that last order was $6.62. So we gonna see how much money we can make before we need to fill up. As I said, we embarked the journey of this Grubhub Insane Challenge with no cash and no gas. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're back, ladies and gentlemen, and we are in a spot now that I can sit and show you. Hotspot just showed up on the screen. So we're gonna see is we're gonna get a hit in this area. Once we get a hit in this area, ladies and gentlemen, we will resume play. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just got through getting a hit. We're gonna show the hit. Oh, low. Let's go and get that order right now. We already got it. Okay. All right, we get ready to get that hit. That's for $8, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that y'all can see me. I'm gonna get ready and get that hit right now. We're gonna pause and resume play. Once we get to our destination, we will be in touch. All right, we're back again, ladies and gentlemen. We get ready to get started on this order. That will put us at $14. We're getting ready to do the drop off on it. We was in the store no more than about 3 minutes. Before I received the second order, it was 6 minutes and 38 seconds. So right now we getting ready to go to the drop-off location. I'm gonna hit pause and then I resume play to give you guys the breakdown of the second order, and hopefully we'll get a chance to get a third one. We're at 2.5 miles away, so I will be informing you in the next segment. Thank you for your patience. All right, back, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you can see it. That's $15.45 off of 2 trips. So now I got to get ready to go to the next location that I need to go to. So we down to 26 miles. We was with 41 miles when we first started this journey here of doing deliveries. We're down to 26 miles. I'm gonna get ready to head to the direction of positioning myself at the right location. Once I get there, ladies and gentlemen, I will resume play. But right at the moment, we're gonna go ahead and we get ready to pause at this moment. We're on our third order, ladies and gentlemen. We're down to 19 miles. So after I do this order here and drop it off, we'll get ready and get some gas. And then after that, I'm going to end the footage on this video. But be sure to check this video out. And I will be doing a live stream to this video. Be sure to come to the live stream to where we can discuss the breakdown analysis to this video right here. No cash, no gas. And yes, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to get ready to go on the inside, and then I'm going to pause and resume play as we get ready to take this to the next drop-off location. All right, we got 12 minutes to the next drop-off location, and we get ready to head to that direction now, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to hit pause, and we're going to resume play, and then going to do the summary of the breakdown analysis of this video. Thank you for being patient and looking at this video footage, and we also want you to look at the live stream where we will have everybody be able to do comments, engage, and talk about their situations on this type of challenge. All right, back, ladies and gentlemen. We wanted to share with you the statistics here. All right, that's $25.57. So we accomplished, let's see, how many deliveries? We did a total of three deliveries, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cash out. Before I cash out, I'm going to use instant cash out, and then I'm going to cash that amount out. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and get some gas. So I'm going to go ahead and cash that out right now. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and do that, do this. Go to cash out. Okay, we'll do that. So let me cash out a certain amount. We're gonna cash that out. So we able to do that, put gas off in here. Plus we still have a balance there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and right now find the nearest